Alright guys, this is my foreign lock collection. It's a top security padlock. It's a classic 60. It says safety over here on the side. It's a 6-pinner. Here's a look at the key bitting. And it does work. This lock's kind of hard to single pin pick because of the keyway. It's got the little curve in there towards the top. I'll give it a try. If I can't get it single pin picking, I'll try to rake it open. There we go. Like I said, it's a pretty difficult lock. It's open. And here's what makes it so difficult. I'm not sure if you can really see it. You see how the keyway kind of curves towards the top? That's what makes it a little bit difficult for me, picking it. And here's a look at the key bitting, if you didn't catch it the first time. And this lock is, again, my foreign padlock collection. They're used quite a bit overseas. It's a top security, classic 60. Anyway, hope you liked the vid. As always, have a good one. Rate it if you liked it. Bye.